Welcome to Lady Waste Corp, where your waste management needs are met professionally and efficiently. Today, we're highlighting our top-notch dumpster rentals in Apopka. Located in the heart of Apopka, Lady Waste Corp is dedicated to providing the community with reliable, affordable, and environmentally friendly waste disposal solutions. Whether you're remodeling your home, managing a construction site, or simply cleaning out your garage, our wide range of dumpster sizes ensures we have the perfect fit for every project. Our prompt delivery and pickup services allow you to focus on the task at hand without worrying about waste management. At Lady Waste Corp, we pride ourselves on our commitment to sustainability. We ensure that all waste collected is disposed of responsibly, aiming for a greener, cleaner Apopka. Serving a vast area in and around Apopka, we're here to support our community's waste disposal needs, large or small. Don't let waste management stress you out. Contact Lady Waste Corp at 321-414-0014 and let us handle the mess. You can also visit our website at www.ladywastecorp.com today to learn more about our services and to easily book your dumpster rental. Lady Waste Corp, your waste, our commitment. Contact us today and experience the difference.